Um, you know what's disturbing to me? You know, all your major media outlets, Fox News, CNN, NBC, ABC, all your major outlets, media outlets, you know, they'll show the police department brutalizing black people, and in some cases, you know, murdering black people. Okay? Now, my question is, why is it that these same major media outlets, why is it that they don't show white people being brutalized by these crooked and evil police? Okay? And some of them even murder. I've seen, personally, myself, some videos through the years of some white people being brutalized by these crazy police officers, and I even seen some white folks being killed. Why is it that these major outlets never show this? Why? Equally, if a white woman goes missing, it's all over the world news. All major media outlets are showing this white woman when she's gone missing. But if a black woman go missing, or a woman of color, it gets no media coverage. It barely gets media coverage in the city that they disappeared in, or where they're from. Why is that? Who's behind all this? Who's behind all this? What is these people's agenda? Are they trying to make you emotional? Are there triggers inside some of you people where they know it's gonna make you act irrational and cause more division amongst all people? Could that be it? What's really going on? We are so divided, and we allow these people to divide us even further with what they put out in front of us on the television and even on social media. We are so brainwashed, people. Wake up. Wake up. Thank you for watching.